Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can simply change your password on Spotify app. So let's get started. First of all, you can't change your password from your app, so you need to open up a web browser of your preference. Once the web browser opens up, you need to simply type in the Spotify URL, which is www.open.spotify.com. Once this link is opened up, you will be redirected to your login page. There you can simply click on the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. Once you click it open, select account option and open it. On the left hand side of your screen, you can find several drop down options. However, you need to choose the change password option. Once you choose this, you need to just type in your current password and your new password which you want to be set. After finishing up typing the new password, you have to repeat the same password again for confirmation. Once you are done with all of these, you need to click on set new password and you're all done. So this is how you change password on your Spotify account. I hope this video was helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.